Hello, my name is Omid and this is a presentation on a new breakthrough in treating osteoarthritis. In this presentation I'm going to outline what osteoarthritis is, normal physiology in persons who do not have the condition, abnormal physiology due to the condition of osteoarthritis, and hopefully a new breakthrough in tackling the disease and relieving pain for sufferers worldwide. Osteoarthritis is quite simply a disorder in the cartilage within joints. Cartilage is a cushioning material within joints that reduces bone-on-bone contact and provides a cushioning factor, reducing the force applied on each bone. Now, in the condition of osteoarthritis, this cartilage is reduced in volume or is damaged, having cracks and fibrillations, which cause pain, stiffness, which are hallmarks of the condition. It affects millions of people worldwide, and there is no concrete cure tackling the root cause of osteoarthritis. There are prevention strategies and management strategies such as weight loss, and there are a few treatments such as topical creams to tackle the symptoms of the condition and joint replacements. However, these do not tackle the root cause of the condition, and there is no proper cure. In normal physiology, there are two enzymes which deal with cartilage. There is the degrading enzyme and the building enzyme. The degrading enzyme reduces cartilage volume, whereas the building enzyme produces new cartilage. These two enzymes, the activity levels of these two enzymes are equal, so there is a constant amount of degrading and building going on, such that there is a constant amount and volume of cartilage. It also must be noted that blood vessels are quite far away from cartilage, so any issue with cartilage takes a long time to heal, and in many cases does not heal at all. As for bone physiology, there are cells within the bones called osteoclasts which actually break down the bone, and there are cells called osteoblasts which reform new bone. There is a unique phenomenon with bones called remodeling. As we know, as we stand or walk around in physical movement, bones are subject to stress of weight, stress of different movements. And the amount of stress applied to a bone causes that bone to react in a certain way in order to strengthen itself. This is known as a remodeling process. Now, due to the presence of cartilage, there is a constant amount of stress applied to each bone. So the bone remodels itself and changes itself in accordance to that constant stress, which is at a healthy amount due to the presence of cartilage. Now, in abnormal physiology of the osteoarthritis condition, this natural balance of enzymes is disturbed. The degrading enzyme is actually, activity levels of the degrading enzyme is much higher than that of the building enzyme. The result is a decrease in the volume of cartilage and damage to the cartilage, including gaps, and fibrillations, and holes. In response to this lack of cartilage, the lack of cartilage actually causes a decrease in the cushioning effect, causing more force to be exerted on the bones. As there is a greater stress and force exerted on the bones then react and remodel according to the increased amounts of stress, and they actually form little bones called osteophytes or spurs. These bones are formed at the end of each bone, and they actually cause bone-on-bone contact due to the lack of cartilage. As we can see in this diagram, we have a healthy bone here, which has a healthy amount of cartilage, and here is another bone in which the cartilage has gone. In that situation, the osteophytes, which are little bones, are formed at the end of each bone, and as there is no cartilage, as the joint moves, the bone contacts with another bone, causing bone-on-bone contact, which is extremely painful. Now, as for the new breakthrough, as outlined in this article, involves stem cells. Now, stem cells are cells which are able to develop into any other further specialized cell, such as bone cells, nerve cells, or critically in this circumstance, joint cells, which are cartilage. In this study, a study was actually produced by Texas University in which a large amount of patients whom had osteoarthritis were injected with an injection which contained a numerous amount of stem cells. All patients, every single one of them afterwards reported pain relief and were found to have grown new bone mass material, i.e. cartilage. This is significant, as this is the first cure ever to tackle the root issue of osteoarthritis. In addition, the actual stem cells used in the study was not extracted from aborted fetuses, but rather from leftover remnants of pregnancies such as placenta and amniotic fluid, which makes the source of the stem cells quite readily available in comparison to other methods. This treatment, although in its infancy, is quite significant and has great potential in order to relieve sufferers of the condition worldwide. Thank you for listening.